Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to help you live your best life. Today, we're diving into some practical life hacks that can help you unlock success and achieve your goals. These are tips you can start using right away to make a real difference in your life. First up, let's talk about setting and achieving your goals using the SMART method. This method is a powerful way to ensure your goals are clear and reachable. Specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. The more specific your goal, the easier it is to focus on it. Measurable. Track your progress with milestones. This helps you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Achievable. Set realistic and attainable goals. It's important to challenge yourself, but also to set goals that are within your reach. Relevant. Align your goals with your long-term vision. Make sure your goals are meaningful and relevant to your life's direction. Time-bound. Give yourself a deadline to stay focused and motivated. A timeline creates a sense of urgency and helps you prioritize your tasks. Next, let's dive into some time management hacks. Time is your most valuable asset, so managing it effectively is crucial. Here are some ways to make the most of your time. First, prioritize your tasks. Focus on high-impact activities that will bring you closer to your goals. Prioritize tasks. Focus on high-impact activities first. This ensures you're spending your time on what truly matters. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work in focused sprints with short breaks. This method helps maintain high levels of productivity without burnout. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications and create a dedicated workspace. A distraction-free environment is key to staying focused. Plan your day the night before. Avoid morning confusion by setting priorities in advance. This simple habit can make your mornings much smoother and learn to say no. Protect your time by setting boundaries. It's okay to decline extra work or commitments that don't align with your priorities. Now let's talk about building confidence. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's built over time through consistent effort. Here's how to boost yours. Practice self-affirmations. Speak positive words to yourself daily. This can significantly improve your self-esteem. Practice self-affirmations. Speak positive words to yourself daily. This can significantly improve your self-esteem and outlook on life. Step out of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself with new experiences. Growth happens when you push your boundaries. Improve body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. Your body language can greatly influence how others perceive you and how you feel about yourself. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge your progress along the way. Every step forward is a step towards greater confidence. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with people and content that uplift you. A positive environment can boost your confidence and overall well-being. Remember, small, consistent actions lead to great results. It's the little things you do every day that add up to big changes over time. Apply these tips daily and watch yourself grow. Consistency is key to making lasting improvements in your life. If this video helped you, let us know in the comments and share it with someone who needs a little extra motivation today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.